Hey friends, welcome to Design Guy. I'll walk you through creating a stunning gold logo step by step. Click Create to start a new project. Select Custom Size from the options. Enter 300 for the width and 300 for the height in pixels. Confirm your settings to apply the custom dimensions. Your canvas is now set to 300 by 300 pixels. Go to the Elements tab in the sidebar. In the search bar, type Luxury Gold Logo and press Enter. Browse the results to find a design that fits your needs, then select your preferred logo template. You can also generate content by choosing from the available forms. Select this form to proceed. Once you've chosen your preferred form, you can start the generation process. Additionally, you'll have the option to remove the background from your selected image or graphic. Simply click the Remove Background button to apply this effect. Experiment with different forms and background removal to see which options best fit your project's needs and achieve the desired result. The logo and borders are now visible on the canvas. To make further edits, locate the design element you want to adjust. In this case, identify the correct logo or border layer in the Layers panel on the right side of the screen. Click on the layer name to select it. If you want to modify the background instead, find and select the background layer. This is usually labeled as background or appears at the bottom of the Layers panel. Click to highlight it. With the background layer selected, you can change its color, resize it, or apply effects as needed. Remember, selecting the correct layer is essential for editing the right part of your design. Use the Layers panel to easily navigate between different elements. Center the image by aligning it with the visible lines. This helps you accurately centralize the image. For easier management, select both the image and the alignment lines, then press Ctrl-G on your keyboard to group them together as one object. Click the Group button to combine the image with other objects. This allows you to move the image as a single unit without detaching or misaligning any of its elements. To add a background, click the Background button and choose your preferred design. To make your project look more polished, send the background behind other elements by right-clicking the background and selecting Send to Back. This places the background layer underneath everything else for a cleaner appearance. Once satisfied with your design, click the Share button, then select Download to save your finished project to your device. You can now increase the size of this image as needed. Alternatively, you have the option to use PDF print or press printing features to produce physical copies according to your requirements. Now you know how to create a stunning luxury gold logo in Canva. Like and subscribe for more creative design tips.